how to combine multiple photos and edit them using Google Gemini. If you want to combine multiple photos and edit them using Google Gemini, then what you need to do is first, you just need simply open up your Gemini application, make sure that you have a stable internet connection, and make sure that you've logged into your account. Now here, if you want to upload and combine pictures, then what you need to do is to upload, you need to go with the plus button, which will be in the bottom left, and then tap on gallery or files wherever you have your photos. In my case, I'll just simply go with gallery. And here you need to go and select the photos. After that, tap on done, which will be on the bottom. In this way, you'll be able to upload. Now, if you want to combine the pictures, you need to enter a prompt. Like, for example, I'll just simply go with replace the ball. After that, you need to just simply go with send and wait for a few seconds till Gemini combines your photos. Now, as you can see, that it has replaced the picture, which is this one, the first one. I have a ball right here, and it has replaced this with the ant. In this way, you'll be able to combine pictures like multiple photos and edit them using your Google Gemini. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.